here we have this package to unbox. Let me just actually open the package up, get out the bloody way.
Alright, this is a Tac-Force black. The blade material is steel, the handle material is stainless steel. Total length 19.5 centimeters. Closed length 11.5 centimeters. Blade length 8 centimeters. Blade thickness 2 millimeters at the thickest. The blade width 2.7 centimeters. Handle length 11.5 centimeters. Handle thickness 1 centimeter. Knife height, knife weight 175 grams. Perhaps can't read today.
Alright. Well, let's get to unboxing this thing. Alright, it's the box. Nothing too fancy. Alright. So here we have... This doesn't look too bad. Alright. This looks nice. This is my unboxing knife for the channel. That's a bit sad. Oh, there you go. Actually got to flick it out. Really nice.
The design looks fantastic.
Oh yeah. There you go, you can play with that. And I'll get some paper. Even the blade looks good. Really nice. Alright, let's test the sharpness. Oh yeah.
Safe to say it's sharp.
Yeah. Yeah, now the paper's getting all crappy like. Nice. I didn't mind this, the black finish on the blade. That looks really nice, and the clip, really small. There's your lock. And it's not on those plastic bearings. It's not on plastic washers, so I don't know what it's on, but not bad. It's got a clip on it, so it's not ultra heavy. You can just chuck this in your toolbox, or whatever you want to use for it, like camping use, or I don't know, do what we do, cut open packages with them.
Could take it fishing.
Yeah, could take it. It'd be a great fishing knife, I reckon. Really cool fishing knife. Probably the coolest one on the jetty. I'm just going to drop this on the floor and see how well the blade stays in there. Because, as I put down in the last video, guys, the red Benchmade knife just opened up the second it hit the floor. So I don't really want that to happen, but we're going to have to test this. Alright, well, it didn't open up. Yeah, it's pretty good. It's not opening, so when you drop it, it doesn't open. Alright.
Got a Facebook account, got a Twitter account, got an Instagram account, and we'd love it if you would check out all of them.
Yeah. Pictures of all our knives will be on Instagram eventually, when I can be stuffed. But yeah, thanks for watching, guys. Subscribe, like, comment, share, or don't. And yeah, we'll see you in the next video. Stay tuned. Alright, how you going, guys? Yeah, we forgot, with this knife here, we didn't actually notice this, but you actually get a bumper sticker that says, "Gone hunting, full force hunting." I believe that's their company. And then you get a little fridge magnet. Neat.